Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series to provide injured workers with information about the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under it. Today I want to talk to you about a problem that happens a lot, which is an insurance company refusing to approve or authorize a surgery recommended by your doctor in a workers' compensation case. Now, if this has happened to you, you may wonder why that happens. Why is the insurance company refusing to pay for the surgery that my doctor says I need to recover from my injury at work? Well, I'm here to tell you, you may not often know. The insurance company may file a form explaining to you why they are denying the surgery in your case. The most common type of form would be what's called a Form WC3, which is a notice to controvert. Controvert basically is a fancy legal word for denial. So the Form WC3 is a form that's filed for the insurance company informing you of the reason that certain treatment is being denied on your case. It can also be filed when your whole case is being denied, but one of its uses is when just specific parts of your case are being denied, like specific types of medical treatment or a specific part of your body that's injured. So you may receive a Form WC3 explaining the reason that the treatment is being denied, but you may also receive no notification at all. Unfortunately, that happens a lot. Insurance companies sometimes take the position that they don't have to file a Form WC3 to notify you. They just don't give approval to the doctor's office when the doctor's office requests approval. And most doctor's offices are not going to move forward with doing the surgery that you need in your case unless they know that that surgery is going to be paid for. So almost all the time, they're going to want approval for the insurance company before they move forward with it. So more so than why, the main thing that you need to know is how you can move forward with getting your surgery approved. And there's a few different ways that you can do that. One is by contacting the insurance adjuster and trying to get them to approve the surgery. Either you can do that, or if you have an attorney representing you, your attorney can do that on your behalf. There's also some forms that can be filed by you or your attorney. One is called a Form WCPMT, which is basically a form that's sent in that indicates what treatment the doctor is requesting to be done, and basically asks the insurance company to approve it or deny it. Or if there's no approval or denial, then a phone call will be set up with a workers' compensation judge where the insurance company has to explain their current position as to why they're not approving or denying the surgery in your case. So that can be helpful in moving forward and getting your surgery approved. There's another form called the Form WC-205 that can be submitted by your doctor's office to request approval from the insurance company. The insurance company has a certain period of time within which to respond to that WC-205 and indicate whether they're going to approve the surgery or not. And then a fourth way that you can move forward with getting approval for surgery is to request a hearing in front of a workers' compensation judge, or to file a motion with a workers' compensation judge as well. A motion would be more of a written argument explaining why the surgery should be approved, and there would be evidence submitted with it as well. A hearing request would be a request for a date in front of a workers' compensation judge where you'd have the opportunity to present evidence and then afterward argue your case as to whether the surgery should be approved or not. And again, that could be you or an attorney representing you on your behalf. I hope you found this information about why the insurance company may refuse to approve your surgery and also what you can do about it helpful. If you have, please let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you want more information about workers' compensation, I'd recommend you visit our Perkins Stutter Workers' Compensation YouTube channel. You can view all the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there, and you can also subscribe if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you do have other specific questions about your workers' compensation case, usually the best way to get those questions answered is with a free consultation. I'd be happy to provide one of those to you. There's two easy ways that you can set that up. One is by calling our office at the phone number at the bottom of the screen, or the second is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting our free consultation request form that's available there. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.